Welcome back to another video. How are we doing? Today we are gonna fly in this thing. So make sure everything's up and nice. Let's get on with it. Here. Whoa! Oh, shut up, by the way. Sounds so good. And I might go around again, like. It sounds so bloody great with this tractor, like. Honest to God. Sounds good though. I'm just gonna go around again to make sure this bloody stuff is coming off. Don't want to break the bloody topper off. Careful, look at that. And rev it up. I'll put it deep. Much better. We'll just go around it. We'll just go around again to make sure all the crap's off the wheels. So we'll go down and up again. That's what we'll do. Whoa! Skid. That was a skid. I'll put it in D. And then we'll go around again. This is so good. Now, I'm going to give this tractor a challenge. I'm going to put it in auto. Yeah. I'm going to put it in auto E. Okay. So should go down the gears. Come on. There we go. Right. You're going to give it a challenge. Right. Here we go. Let's do this. And there we go, guys. John Deere 6820 for you. I might leave my topper just there, like, but this might come out as a bonus video a day, like, probably. I don't know. There we go. All the crap's off the wheat tires. Yep. See you later in the next one. Goodbye.